Hey guys, I just got done listening to Jay Powell speak after the Fed has decided to do a 50 basis point rate cut. This is good. This is good news for right now, I believe. Okay, so here are some notes that he talked about. I also want to talk about Jasmy a little bit and Bitcoin and really just how I'm feeling in the short term with everything going on, because that's the most important, right? Right now it's September 18th. We still have October, which is usually a great month for crypto. We have November, which we have elections, okay? And then you have December. Maybe we might get a Christmas rally with crypto and stocks. So we're gonna break that down in today's video. All I ask is that you drop a like, of course, you subscribe to the channel if you like what I speak about, and I hope you're having a great day. So this is some of the notes from the very beginning. This is what Jay Powell said. Our economy is strong overall and has made progress. Inflation has eased from 7 to 2.2% as of August 2024. Guys, that's huge, okay? And we were at 7% inflation in December of 2021. What happened in January of 2022? Well, go look at the S&P 500, go look at the crypto markets, completely tanked. So now that we're at a 2.2% inflation, I think that's really good, okay? So I think it's okay that they're doing a 50 with the rate cut because the inflation is so low. It reminds me a lot of other times, if you look back in history, when they did rate cuts, inflation was very low also. Inflation was around 1.6 to 1.7 back in 1998, and then we had a 2-year bull cycle. And in 2019, which he also brought up in his talk, inflation, I believe, was at 1.7 or 1.8, and they did a rate cut in 2019 and then one in 2020 when COVID happened. And we obviously have seen what the market has done since 2019. Okay, we did have a little dip because of the COVID pandemic, but this is not bad. This is not telling us that we're about to enter into a bear market whatsoever. He said, we want inflation at 2%, and they believe strength in the labor market will continue and inflation will continue to come down with the 50 rate cut. So these are words that he spoke, okay? Conditions in the labor market are less tight than before the pandemic. Guys, this is very good. I think this is a great talk from Jay Powell. I think it's awesome that they did a 50 on the cut. And I think Bitcoin is about to rally. And I'm gonna show you why next. Bitcoin just did something that I don't know if any of you are aware of, but this is gonna tell you what your altcoins are gonna look like. And this is also gonna tell you what Jasmy is gonna look like. Let's go back in time. The RSI on a weekly time frame is just in a downtrend, right? Once we broke above this downtrend, the white arrow right there, Bitcoin started to rally. Now this initially started the bull cycle for Bitcoin when that happened, but it happened again here. We were descending, very bearish, and then we broke above it, and the white arrow stayed above the 21 EMA, and we rallied. Okay, this was the most recent one in 2023, September, I believe. Okay, so now where are we today? Well, guys, we actually just broke the trend line, just like we have in previous cycles, okay? Now look at this. We're getting right back above the 21 EMA. So Bitcoin is decision time. This week will tell us so much, guys. This week, when the candle closes for Bitcoin, is going to tell us so much of what is going to happen to Jasmy, what is going to happen to Dogecoin, what's going to happen for Bitcoin, what's going to happen to all the cryptos that you guys hold. This is the week. Today is Wednesday. We have till Sunday. But all of this, guys, and after Jay Powell just spoke, is looking so good that we are about to move much higher. Okay, over 100,000 for Bitcoin. Again, this is just my own opinion, not financial advisor. This is not financial advice. But guys, hopefully this is making sense. We're breaking above this, just like we have before. The bearish trend is over. It's starting to look like it's over. We got to get back above this. Maybe we consolidate for a little bit, retest this trend line on the RSI, and now it's rally time, okay? So let me know your thoughts out down below. If you got any value so far, make sure you drop a like. Let's move on to the next thing. Also, make sure you join the Patreon down below. We have a great community. We're all talking in the Discord. Basically been talking since the AM, okay, about stocks and crypto. SoFi hit 850 today. I told everyone to buy at 650, under 7. I was buying it up. I told you on X, I told you on Patreon. It's going to be amazing. So hopefully you guys have SoFi. Also, FET, known as a new name now, is at 141 again. I was telling people to buy at 108, which was right here. Posted all over the Patreon, told people to buy at 84, which was down here. post all over the Patreon. So hopefully you're up. Hopefully you're winning. Up over 63% right now with FET crypto, guys. Not playing around. It's going to get very serious over the next 3 to 6 months. And by the way, prices are going up in the Patreon October 1st. If you pay for the whole year, before that, you lock in the prices. Not going to increase for you. Jasmy had a nice spike, and now it's kind of correcting. You could see right here, we're trading at 1969 as I'm making this video, and I'm telling you guys, Jasmy is on a huge discount. Check this out. We're at a $965 million market cap. I'm going to say it every day. If we're under $1 billion, it's on discount. I don't care what the charts look like. I don't care about anything else, guys. Jasmy could definitely be a $10 billion market cap very soon. You think about their tokenomics, having a max and total supply of 50 billion. Pretty much all their coins are in circulation. You think about future lockups. What is that going to do? That's going to mean that the circulating supply is actually going to be less, and our market cap, it doesn't really matter. You know, it's going to go higher, obviously, but you're going to get to your price target a lot sooner, okay? So what does a $10 billion market cap do? Well, that means that Jasmy is now at 20 cents, okay? That's if they don't do any lockups. And I think that's definitely possible. If you see and you saw what I just showed you with Bitcoin, and you heard what J Powell was talking about, and you see where we're at with inflation right now, I think it's going to get very exciting with cryptocurrency very soon, okay? This week, again, will tell a lot. So if you're on the sidelines, do your thing. I also have cash on the sidelines. I've recently bought more crypto in the last couple of days. I seriously have a problem. But if you have cash on the side, it's all good. I would wait till the weekly candle closes if you don't really know what to do. Like, you're like, should I be in? Should I be out? What should I do? Should I buy more Jasmy? Think more long term, guys. Wait till Sunday. Let's see where the week closes. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm going to give you guys an update on Sunday of really where we're at. But at the end of the day, guys, this is on huge discount. Being under $1 billion market cap, ranked number 65. I remember when we started covering Jasmy, we were at like 120 out of all cryptos. We were at 120 and we climbed. I think we got into the top 50. I've been saying on these videos, I believe Jasmy will be a top 25 crypto this cycle very soon. And I don't think it's going to go anywhere. I don't think Jasmy's a rug pull. I think there's a lot of cryptos that aren't going to do that well. So you got to do your research. You got to know what you're investing in. And if you want my guidance, of course, I'll help you. Just check out the links down below. But this is huge, guys. This is absolutely huge. We know there's an all-time high of 499. The all-time low is right here. I've walked you guys through Elliott wave from the low point all the way to 4.4 was a huge wave 1. Now we've done an ABC correction. Maybe the bottom was at $0.015. Maybe that was the C wave. Worst case scenario is if I'm completely wrong, we go down to 1.211. We're still bullish in the long run for Jasmy. So Jasmy is a top project. It's one of my top 3 holdings. I also like a couple others that I make videos about on this channel. So with that, guys, don't forget to drop a like. I appreciate you for being here. I hope you have a great Wednesday, and we'll see you on the next one.